Biosynthesis of cholesterol and its significance. So first of all, looking at the table of contents, we will discuss definition, introduction to biosynthesis, stages of cholesterol synthesis, regulation of biosynthesis, transport of cholesterol, degradation of cholesterol, and significance of cholesterol. So starting from its definition, we have a waxy fat-like substance is made in the liver and found in the blood and all body cells. Cholesterol have 27 carbons as we see in the picture, and it has a alkyl side chain, a steroid nucleus, and on carbon number 3 there is a polar head, and that polar head is an hydroxyl group. Sources of cholesterol. We have two sources. Number one is dietary source. We get cholesterol from animals such as egg yolks, meat, and dairy products, and it is also synthesized in the body. About 1 gram of cholesterol synthesized per day. And all our body tissues participate in cholesterol biosynthesis, but the signified role is played by liver and small intestine. About 50% of cholesterol is synthesized in the liver and 15% in the small intestine. In the synthesis of cholesterol, the enzymes required for biosynthesis are present in cytosol and mitochondria of the cell, and the energy which we need for biosynthesis is supplied by ATP. Reducing equivalents are provided by NADPH, and carbon for the carbon skeleton of cholesterol is provided by acetyl-CoA. So we need 16 moles of NADPH, 36 moles of ATP, and 18 moles of acetyl-CoA. Stages of cholesterol biosynthesis. We have three stages. Three acetates units condense to form a 6-carbon intermediate which we called mevalonate. Basically, it is number one stage. Number two is conversion of mevalonate into activated isoprene units. And number three is polymerization of 5-carbon isoprene units to form the 30-carbon linear structure of squalene. Here is the cycle. It starts from acetyl CoA and it ended at cholesterol. Between this, we have linear structure of squalene is cyclized to form squalene, and this is cyclic structure of squalene. And this cyclic structure of squalene is converted into lanosterol, a 30-carbon compound, and it is done in the presence of epooxidase enzyme, hydroxylase, and cyclase enzymes. So these, in the presence of these three enzymes, squalene is converted into lanosterol, and the lanosterol is converted into cholesterol by a series of reactions, and 19 reactions takes place in this series. Regulation of biosynthesis. The rate limiting step in the pathway of cholesterol synthesis is catalyzed by HMG-CoA reductase. So basically, HMG-CoA reductase in the enzyme that proceeds a very slow reaction step, and this reaction step is the rate limiting step. Transport of cholesterol. As we all know that cholesterol is insoluble in water, so for its transport, cholesterol is carried in the blood plasma from one tissue to another as plasma lipoproteins. Degradation of cholesterol. As we all know that whatever the toxic compound or the waste material is present in our body, it is converted into carbon dioxide and water. But cholesterol has a special case. The ring structure of cholesterol cannot be metabolized to carbon dioxide and water. So, for its elimination, the intact sterol ring is eliminated from the body. And we have two ways. Number one is conversion of cholesterol to bile salts, yeah, bile acids, which are excreted in feces. And number two is secretion of cholesterol in the bile. Now, when our liver secrete cholesterol into the bile, it is then transported to the intestine, and we all know from intestine it is stored in rectum, and from rectum it is eliminated to the outside. Now we look on significance of cholesterol. Cholesterol plays a very important role. It is somehow building blocks of our cell membranes, and it is a part of our cell membrane. It provides integrity to the cell membranes. And number two is cholesterol produces key hormones. So, in these key hormones, number one, we have steroid hormones, which is mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids, and we have sex hormones, that is estrogen, progesterone, and um, testosterone. All these hormones are steroid in nature and they are derived from the cholesterol. And number three is cholesterol helps to produce vitamin D, and we all know and we all are familiar with the uses of vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for our bones, for our vein. And last one is cholesterol play a very important role in digestion. As we discussed already, that cholesterol is converted into bile acids, and bile acids plays a very important role in the emulsification of lipids, and it is the only way through which lipids can be digested in our body. So here my presentation is completed. Thank you so much.